In this video, I'm going to discuss how to solve the problem that new registrants always encounter while trying to register for the Delta coin mining. If already you have the app installed in your phone, then uninstall the app. Then you use the link in the description of this video. There is a download link that I'm going to drop in the description of this video. Use that link to download the current version of this app into your phone. Then once you download it, you can now come back to this video and then you follow the steps. Now, if you click on the link in the description of this video, this is how the page is going to come up. Now you have here download Delta app now. So you just click on this link. Go ahead and click on Android APK if you are using Android to download the Android version of this app, or you click on download on the App Store if you are making use of an iPhone to download your phone version of the app. Check the download history on your browser to see the app as it is being downloaded. So once the download is successful, you just tap on the app to install it. For security settings, you will need to click on the settings button here in order to grant permission to install the app. Go ahead and allow installation of unknown apps by turning on that notification icon on the screen. You will have to check this blue circular button and you click on OK when the countdown time reaches 0. You can go ahead and click on the install button. Allow your phone to perform the security scan, after which you click on the open button. On the first box here, you are going to tap on it and then you select your country depending on where you are currently residing, after which on the second box you are going to input your mobile phone number. That phone number should be one that is accessible. Let that phone number also, or the SIM card, let it be in that particular phone that you are using for this registration now. Here on the first box where we have the referral DID, that is where you are going to input the referral code of the person that referred you. Okay, now if you are not referred by anybody, I'm going to drop the referral code that we are going to use on the screen here. So you input it. Then on the second box where you have the nickname, select a unique nickname that is your own nickname that you'll be identified with, after which you hit on the next step button. Here you will select the DSMS verification button to take you to the verification page. Here you select the Get button to select a group of SMS verification access numbers. Now pay attention to this. This is the most difficult aspect of this Delta coin registration. On the screen here, both on the left and the right hand side, the two pictures you see on the screen, they are the same, just that the numbers were interchanged. Now you will have to select amongst these four numbers. We have the GSG, MTN, TEE, and MTN again. Now you select two numbers. Check what is written down at the left hand side, at the right hand side. It says, please check two access numbers and click the next step button to proceed to the next step. It is also recommended to select the same telecommunication as the number that needs to be verified. Now, this is what we are going to do. Check the score rate of these numbers ranging from GSG to the last MTN. You discover that GSG is 19.33%, the first MTN is 23%, the TEE is 21%, the MTN, that is the last one, is 25%. Now, by this percentage score, you should know that the one with the highest value in percentage goes more successful than others. Now, the two that has the highest, because they say that we must select two numbers. You are not doing verification with one now. You are doing with two. So I will suggest you go with the 2 MTN. Okay, the one that has 23.07% and the one that has 25.12%. Okay, so you select the number, tick the box in front of the two MTN numbers. So once you do that, you now go over and click on the next step. Now, before we move to the other page, if maybe after trying the two MTNs they didn't work for you, please come back and try the GSG and the TEE. Okay, just interchange the number. Your selection must be 2 according to the instruction that they gave. You have to select 2 numbers. So if you try it the first time it didn't work, you try it the second time. All right, so hit the next step button, then it will now take us to the next page. Remember, you also have to click on the global universal, okay, the one that has the phone number, the green icon there. Okay, now on the screen here are the 2 numbers that we selected. Okay, the number that ends with 631 and the one that ends with 894. So you are going to send a message to these 2 numbers. Now there are 2 ways of sending this message. You can either send through SMS or send through WhatsApp. As you can see, there is a send mode there on the screen. I hope you can see it. Now on that send mode, if you want to send via SMS, then you select SMS. You tick the circled box in front of SMS. If you want to send via WhatsApp, you select the circle in front of WhatsApp, that is to select the WhatsApp option. I hope this is clear. Now remember, if you are using the SMS charges are applied. So you should make sure that you have enough airtime in your phone. I really do not know exactly how much that is going to be charged, because when we registered, the charges and the current charges are not the same. We registered with foreign number. Okay, now let's take for instance, if you selected SMS, the first thing you are going to do is you come to the first access number, that is number 1, the one that ends with 639 for instance. Then you click on the copy icon, okay, just close to the barcode. You click on that copy icon, the one for 631. When you click on the copy icon, it will copy the string that you are going to send to that particular number. String is just a set of numbers, values, symbols, okay, to form a code which you are going to use to verify your account. Now, when you must have copied it, you hit on that blue arrow button, the one that looks like the symbol of Telegram, pointing rightward. Okay, that is for the first one that ends with 631. After you send it, now you have to come back and also copy the string of the number that ends with 894 by just tapping on the copy icon, and then you click on that blue arrow button in front of the 894, that is the access number 2, and also send the SMS. When sending the SMS, you make sure that it is that same number that you input at the beginning of the video during your registration, that it is still the same number that you are using to send this SMS. Okay, once you are done, you come back to this page and then you click on I have sent verification string next step, that is the button down below. So on the left hand side here is the SMS pattern, that is if you selected to send with SMS. Okay, this is how it is going to look, but in your own case you send it twice. That's for the 2 numbers that we selected. Now on the right hand side here is the WhatsApp format, depending on the one you selected. Now take note that it is not all the numbers that functions for WhatsApp, but all the numbers works for SMS. So in this case, if you try for SMS and it does not work, if the number permits WhatsApp, you also try for WhatsApp. All right, then keep on trying. If you try the first time it didn't work, try second time, try third time, try fourth time, using different numbers. Eventually it must work out for you. So just exercise patience. Use the SMS format. Make sure that there is enough airtime in your SIM. Okay, then send the messages. Now, if it didn't work, you revert to using the WhatsApp. One of them must work for you. You just have to exercise patience and try it over and over again. You may be very lucky. You may try it once and it will go successfully. So once you are done sending the text messages, come back to the app that is here and select I have sent verification string. Next step. Okay, that is the button down the picture you can see on the screen. If you are still using the old version of this app, you may get this option, as you can see on the screen, giving you 3 foreign numbers. The first is Hong Kong, the second is Britain, and the last is China. So if you are still using the old version of the app, or maybe if you are lucky enough and you are given any of these numbers, then you do not need to select 3 or 2 numbers here, just like the previous one I showed you. You just click on one. If you are using Hong Kong, just select Hong Kong. If you are using Britain, if you are using China, just select that particular one. Then you send the string to that particular number. Okay, but the difference is that using these foreign numbers, the SMS charges is very high compared to using our local Nigerian numbers. So the next step is this page. You will have to exercise patience. It has to roll for some seconds, for just a few seconds. Then your account will be verified. Okay, remember what I said before. You have to exercise patience to allow this to go through. Okay, so once your account is verified, then it will take you to the mining page. Now, if you are trying to register and your registration was rejected, just like you can see it on the screen here, it says rejected. Reason, it says verify info is invalid or expired. Now, this could be because you did not send the string that is given to you on time, because there is a countdown time and you need to work within that time frame. If you hesitate in sending the verification string, your registration may be rejected. Okay, so once everything is done, it will bring you to this page. You just have to tap on the white circle in front of your screen to begin your mining. So this is the mining page, how it is going to look like. So once you get to this extent, you are done with your registration. You just begin your mining. Every 24 hours, you are expected to log in. Then you claim whatever that you have mined within the time frame of 24 hours. Then you activate a new mining session. So guys, I believe this helps you in your registration. Okay, now if you find this video helpful at all, please, you do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that once I drop updates in this channel, you get notified. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Feel free to share this video to your community members. Feel free to share it to your friends. Feel free to share it to your downlines, those who you send your referral links to register. And also remember to build your team. Okay, because the way to boost your mining is by referring miners. Now, the more people you refer in your mining circle, the more Delta coin you mine. So it will be wise for you to recruit new miners for your own good.